Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You're signed in and ready. First, verify the device you want removed. On the device, open Settings your name, then turn off Find My. You'll need the Apple ID password. Once done, sign into Icloud. Apple. Com to view devices. This central view speeds removal. Make sure you have a local backup or exported contacts and photos. Removing a device can unlink synced data. If you don't have the password, pause and follow account recovery steps before continuing. Now remove the device on Icloud. Apple. Choose Devices, select the device, and choose Remove from Account. This severs iCloud association and disables activation lock if Find My was off. On iOS, confirm removal in Settings by tapping the device, then Remove. For Macs, use System Settings Apple ID, then Overview to sign out or remove. If the device is offline, removal will take effect when it next connects. Make sure to sign out on the device itself if you still have access. Finish by erasing the device if you're transferring ownership. Settings General Transfer or Reset and Erase. This clears local data. Once erased, check Icloud. Apple. To confirm the device is gone and activation lock is cleared. That prevents lockouts for the next owner. If removal fails, try signing in again to disable Find My or start Apple account recovery. Keep your proof of purchase handy when contacting Apple support. This accelerates identity verification and resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.